Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 1st October. Let's start. In the year of 1847, on this day, Annie Besant, an eminent social worker, writer and freedom fighter, was born. In the year of 1854, on this day, postage stamp was introduced in India with the head of Queen Victoria and India made on the stamp. Its cost was half anna. In the year of 1919, on this day, the Hunter Committee was established by the British government. In the year of 1945, on this day, Ramnath Kovind, the 14th President of India and a member of the BJP, was born. He has also been a member of Rajya Sabha. In the year of 1953, on this day, Andhra Pradesh became a separate state on linguistic basis. In the year of 1958, on this day, the metric system for weighing was introduced in India. In the year of 1967, on this day, Tourism Development Corporation of India was established. In the year of 1978, on this day, amendment to the Child Marriage Act, according to the minimum age for marriage for a boy and a girl was raised to 21 and girls 18 years respectively. In the year of 1996, on this day, the West Asia Summit was inaugurated by US President Bill Clinton. In the year of 1998, on this day, Vladimir Putin became a permanent member of the Security Council of the Russian Federation. In the year of 2000, on this day, the 27th Olympic Games were held in Sydney. In the year of 2002, on this day, India won its first gold medal in snooker competition at the Asian Games. In the year of 2003, on this day, India allied Bangladesh's apprehensions regarding interlinking of rivers. In the year of 2004, on this day, Israeli Prime Minister Ariel Sharon's cabinet approved a plan for large-scale military action in the Gaza Strip. In the year of 2006, on this day, Indra Nooyi becomes CEO of PepsiCo, replacing Steven Raymond, joining PepsiCo in 1994, becoming the fifth CEO in PepsiCo's 44-year history. In the year of 2008, on this day, terrorists carried out a bomb blast in Agartala, the capital of Tripura. In the year of 2018, on this day, Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology was awarded to James Allison and Tasuku Honjo for their cancer treatment innovations. In the year of 2019, on this day, the Indian government banned the export of onions, an important food staple, to control prices, leading to onion shortages in Bangladesh and Nepal. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Path Siri Abhijan scheme was launched by the government of West Bengal. It is a road repair scheme in which over 7,000 roads spanning 12,000 across the state will be repaired in a mission mode and in a time-bound manner. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar recently announced that India aims to restore 26 million hectares of degraded and deforested land by 2030 and achieve land erosion neutrality. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers Sri D.V. Sadanand Gowda had launched POS 3.1 software, SMS gateway and home delivery facility of fertilizers for farmers in Andhra Pradesh. In the year of 2020, on this day, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development had announced a special refinance facility of Rs 800 crore for the financial year 2021. With this, NABARD will support the water, sanitation and sanitation program of the Government of India. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Defense Research and Development Organization successfully test-fired an indigenously developed laser-guided anti-tank guided missile. The anti-tank guided missile is capable of firing a tandem heat warhead to defeat explosive reactive armor-protected armored vehicles at a range of 1.5 to 5 km. In the year of 2021, today, International Day of Older Persons is globally observed. This year 2021 marks the 76th anniversary of the United Nations and the 31st anniversary of the International Day of Older Persons. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.